I buy it already made, fresh, ready to go. So all I have to do is put it over here and heat it up, and they puff up, and turn off the heat and leave the lid on, and it puffs them up, okay? So all I need to do when the time comes is drain them with my drainer and put them right into the pan and mix them all together, okay? Now, there's one thing I'm not adding today is you can add the cheese. Put some Parmesan cheese, about a quarter cup in, before you take your dish to the table, or you can just leave it on the table. So today I'm going to leave the cheese on the table, and we'll add it when we get there, okay? So there's all kinds of ways to make your cream. You can make a sauce and use cream, heavy cream, or you can do it the cheat way that I'm doing and keep your calories down and use a cream of mushroom soup. It works really well. Add water if you don't want to add milk, or add half and half if you don't want to put regular milk, or do it any way you like. I've added just water here today. Okay? So you keep your calories down as far as you can, and you can then make this a little less, or skinnier, I'll say. Right, everybody?